Buyers, are you looking for some house hacks, some creative solutions? Well, let's face it, the housing market has been very volatile over the last couple of years. In fact, oftentimes I hear buyers say they feel like they've been on a roller coaster ride. Hi, I'm Patty Hardy with Sheridan Realty, broker owner right here in Canyon Lake, and it is no wonder why so many buyers feel like they're having so many ups and downs when trying to purchase a home. With fluctuating mortgage rates, with competition on well-priced homes, and it just makes such a difficult situation and a tough market for certain buyers, especially the first-time home buyers. So there's a trend out there that's going out in real estate, and we're starting to see it in certain regions and even here in Canyon Lake. It's called house hacking. So what is house hacking? Well, it's finding creative ways, creative solutions to make your home purchase affordable. So let's take a look and explore some of the house hacking options. One is you could take a look at buying a home with one of your best friends or one of your family members. This co-buying trend allows buyers to pull their finances together and their resources, and they come up with a larger down payment and help to compensate for the closing costs. Or you could even advertise a room for rent, either as a short-term rental or as a long-term rental. And if you don't want that long-term commitment, just have a short-term rental, possibly in a college student, maybe even a traveling nurse that comes to town to do their work. This way, it helps you offset those mortgage expenses, but they're not vested in the property long-term. Another hack to consider is renting out parking spaces or storage space, even your swimming pool. As a homeowner, you might have more to rent than just the bedrooms. So take a look at the property that you're interested in and see what could possibly work for you. You could even find a property that has a separate living quarters that you could rent. So for example, a garage apartment, and this would help you maintain some privacy, but also give you that extra income. Bottom line, it's always best to work with an experienced real estate professional and let them know exactly what your needs are and what you're looking for, and they can help you go over some different strategies that are out there to make your dream become a reality. Reach out to me, reach out to my team. I'd love to help you and strategize your next move. Again, it's Patty Hardy, Sheridan Realty, 210-313-1010, and I'm happy to help. Thanks.